stop to the beat. Come on. Jalwa. Give it to me. Jalwa. Give it to me. Jalwa. Gorgeous with attitude in every latitude. Miss Hot Booty, come on baby, do your duty work.
जिस्मों का है ये जलवा, किस्मों का है ये जलवा, शोहरत भी दे ये जलवा, मकसद भी दे ये जलवा.
Tell him like it is. I can't hear.
दिलकश लगे ये जलवा, मैं कश लगे ये जलवा, नशा ही नशा ये जलवा, मजा ही मजा, नशा ही नशा.
Throw it up, throw it up.
जलवा. आग सी रवानियां.
Yo, I know a lot of yo wouldn't expect it.
लेती गए अंगड़ाइयां.
Yo, I'm the hottest girl around.
ये जला दे दिलों में चिंगारियां. ये जलवा, ये जलवा.
Namaskar, we are very excited to have today in YoIndiaTV studios the great fashion designer from India, Subarna Ray Chaudhuri. Subarna Ray Chaudhuri, who has also received IIFA award for the best costume design and has been working in Bollywood from past 22 years and has made a mark in the textile and the fashion designing industry. Welcome to YoIndiaTV with me, Jasleen. And how's your experience in Bay Area?
Yeah, I've been coming here couple of years back, on and off, but right now I'm kind of settled here. So my experience is, you can say, sometimes good, sometimes bad, sometimes boring, sometimes exciting. So it's a mixed bag. It's a collage of different feelings, and I'm kind of enjoying it, and I'm kind of discovering it, you can say. Yeah.
Wonderful. So back in India, you know, working in Bollywood itself is a landmark. You've been working with a lot of different artists from, you know, Amitabh Bachchan to the modern ones as well. So tell us a little more about your wide-ranged experience.
Okay, so I started my career with Pradeep Sarkar's film. Pradeep Sarkar is no more there, of course. His film called Parineeta. So I designed his film, and that was my debut film. Before that, I did a couple of American films, German films, and even some British films for BBC. But then Bollywood film, you can say, yeah, Parineeta was the first one. In 2006, I won some awards from Parineeta. It was IIFA, CINE, and the APSARA Guild Award. So my first batch of actors who I designed for was Saif Ali Khan, Vidya Balan. Of course, it was Vidya's first debut, and it was my debut. So we have a very good connection, and we have a very good time whenever we shoot. Yeah.
Not bad.
दिल की जो बातें हैं, बातें जो दिल की हैं,
दिल ही में रखना पिया.
लब तो ना खोलूं मैं, खोलूं ना लब तो पर.
आँखों से सब कह दिया. पियू बोले, पिया बोले, क्या ये बोले जानू ना. जिया डोले, हाले हाले, क्यों ये डोले.
So my first experience was that, and after that all followed. Like I worked with Vinod Chopra, I worked with Rajkumar Hirani, talking about like Lage Raho Munna Bhai. Have you seen that film?
Yeah, amazing film and amazing dresses. What in particular did you design?
The entire film.
Wow.
So whenever I take a project, I design the entire film. So I designed Lagero Mundabai, Parineeta, then Eklavya of Vidhu Vinod Chopra. And then after that, one after the other, it kept coming. So the major hits were many of them. Like I have done at least 35 to 40 films. But the main ones were Bajrangi Bhaijaan, Phantom, then Dishum with John and Varun. So like that, it just kept rolling, it kept coming, and Bombay was pretty welcoming for me because I worked with the top directors of Bollywood. Also, if you have seen Gunde, Yash Raj, so I did 3 films with Gunde. One is Laga Chunri Mein Daag, then I did another movie, what was that, Bhagya, and then I did Gunde. So, with good production houses, when you work, your work is all that speaks, and the people with whom you're working, in Bombay, they're very encouraging. So I really had a blast. Yeah.
अफगान जलेबी माशूक फरेबी खायल है तेरा दीवाना भैया भैया बंदूक दिखा के क्या प्यार करेगी चेहरा भी कभी दिखाना भैया भैया अफगान जलेबी माशूक फरेबी खायल है तेरा दीवाना भैया भैया बंदूक दिखा दिखा के क्या प्यार करेगी
So Bombay film industry is also so much famous for the music it gives, the songs it does, the dances, and there are so many costumes that these heroes and heroines change almost every minute or every 2 or 3 minutes with every scene. So anything at the back of your memory that you would like to bring for our viewers, yup, I did that song and people loved it.
Yeah, so it's very challenging, and we have a lot of time frames. Like, suppose a director will come up with the thought that, okay, I want this outfit 6 o'clock in the morning, and I'm like, okay, I'm sleeping right now, how am I supposed to produce? And then you have to get your tailor, get your get your workshop. Okay, come on, everyone get up, and then we have to produce the whole thing in about 3 to 4 hours. That's what happened once when I was shooting for Gunde. So Priyanka, we had have you seen this song, the cabaret song of Priyanka, where Ranveer and Arjun both are there? I don't remember the name of the song now. So what happened, we have about 4 to 5 outfits for the entire song we had, but suddenly the director at around 9 o'clock or 10:30, I think, while we were shooting on the floor, Priyanka is sitting and everybody is there, and they call me, Subarna, come here. Okay, what? Priyanka is saying, can you make something else like this, like with crystals and stones instead of this? I said, okay. Like, when do you want it? He said, tomorrow morning, 6:30. I said, okay. And I cannot say no. In Bollywood or wherever, if you're a professional, you have to do it. You can't say no. So I'm like, okay. And that day was raining. It was pouring, and that my tailor shop, it was flooded, this much of water there. You know how Bombay rains are. So I just quickly ran back and I got this skin color bodysuit. I got skin color stockings. We had multiple different sizes for stockings and bodysuit, and we created a very skin tone a bodysuit with lots of stones, Swarovski beads and things hanging, and we created the costume. It's overnight, and there were so much of machhar biting me all over, sucking my blood. And then I was like, okay, fine, I have to do it. So the next morning when I gave it to her, Priyanka was really happy, and she mentioned in many places that it was an amazing costume. And the challenge is more what we have to face, and the output was good, so they were happy.
Assalame ishkum yara, assalame ishkum, assalame ishkum yara, assalame ishkum, assalame ishkum yara, assalame ishkum, assalame ishkum yara, assalame ishkum. Oh meri adaएं तीर है, हाँ मेरी adaएं तीर है, मेरी adaएं तीर है, मेरे यार निशाना तुम.
Brilliant. And I have also read a lot about you running to Mathura to fetch some, silver jewelry for Sonakshi Sinha. The example you gave for Priyanka, you had to make a turnaround within a very short time frame. I'm sure
5
you
hours.
can't fly to Mathura or other places, but for Sonakshi, I think you got some time and then you put in a lot of hard work running around and finding the right stuff. So, how do you plan so much, like this should be obtained from Mathura, this should be from Bengal, from Bombay, and, the tapestry, the textures of the clothes.
textile
Yeah.
that we
How do you choose?
See, basically, when we get a script, we always see where the story is based out of. So that particular movie, Tevar, where I was designing, that was my second film with Sonakshi. I completed Tevar, so I already had a good connection with Sonakshi because we had a good tuning and we worked together. She's a lovely girl to work with. So my director said, everything has to look very Mathura, very Agra, and that sort of very local, very a small town look. So the best thing, I said, instead of going, anywhere else, for me, I have to go to the town. I have to be in that town for a couple of days, see what people are wearing, just absorb it in my head. And then I started shopping with my assistants. And when we shopped together and we did a couple of look tests, and my director Amit Sharma was pretty happy. Amit Sharma was also the director for Badhai Ho. Have you seen that film? Yeah. So it's Amit's first film, Tevar was. So I was designing everybody in that film. So it was like a big challenge. But getting from Mathura or Agra, the best challenge is you have to go, you don't know the place much, right? You have to go core into the gullies, into those local shops, into the market. अच्छा भैया आप ये मुझे बना के दो, अच्छा भैया आप
And even negotiate.
हाँ, और ये सब करना पड़ता है, बहुत लोगों को पटा के करना पड़ता है, तो वो सब भी एक एक्सपीरियंस है.
म्यूजिक बजेगा लाउड तो राधा नाचेगी म्यूजिक बजेगा लाउड तो राधा नाचेगी.
Your basis is, I think, the Indo-European mix or the blend that you create. And as you mentioned, you started from Germany and, documentaries that you did in Britain and stuff. So how did you actually start with Europe, and how do you actually mix that typical traditional Indian attire with European style?
Actually, I was doing it from a very young age. So my mom's saris, I used to take them, chop them, and see whatever.
Chop them?
Yeah, chop them, like chop, and take all the weirdest possible designs from the Victorian, Edwardian, from the Europe, those 90s exaggerated collars and sleeves, which are actually very much in vogue right now. So I used to take them and just make a trouser or a dhoti pant or a very puffy sleeves dress. So that was one of the inspiration which I had when I was quite young, yeah. But later when I started working for the German production and the British, I saw how meticulously they work. That's the best thing I learned at the start of my career, because they are so perfect. They have every script and every picture and every detail on the big docket. So that's my first learning was that. So when I produced it to Pradeep Sarkar, that this is how I work. And I was like nobody at that time in 2005. I just landed from somewhere, and Pradeep Sarkar was, wow, I mean, this is like a docket. Because I told him that I was a wardrobe supervisor and a designer for British films and this and that. So he had no clue, right? Because documentaries, who sees these days so much, right? I mean, those days, now people see. So he was happy, and so he gave me my first break.
पल में हंसाए और पल में रुलाए ये कहानी कैसी पहेली है ये कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी थामा हरों का इसको किसने हाँ ये तो बहता पानी कैसी पहेली है ये कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी
And I see like all the gowns are so very extra long. There are 2 or 3 helpers out there for the heroines. You know, normally if you see people going to IIFA and these big awards, you were there in IIFA, I think in 2006 when you received your award for the best costume. But these days, like all the heroines, you know, they have like a deep neck and a big trail, And I don't know like how that is extra helpful in creating the glamour. But maybe you can give your perspective.
Okay, so for me, extra length is always, it's good, but a simple style and a style of your own where you're confident enough to carry, that's the best style you carry, right? You don't have to wear something which is not suiting you, but it's okay, it's a beautiful design, but something which can be created from scratch, something which can be created with very simple material, with very organically done, okay? That is what is important for every. And these days, I'm seeing a lot of heroines wearing trails and trails and trails, and there's a fashion of feathers and cloaks and cloaks. I mean, now stop it. We have done it. We have seen it. Get out of it. So, even in this fashion show which we are doing right now, it's about spring summer collection that we are doing with Prabhashi. So there you will see I have played mostly with forest colors, nature colors. My creation is more derived because it's spring summer. I thought nature is the best inspiration, so that's how I've incorporated. The fabric will be most of satin, crepe, handloom, cotton, chiffon, even silk.
Organza?
Organza is there, but very minimum because a lot of people are doing organza, so I thought no, stop. Okay, let's not do it. So I've got various kind of fabric. So fabric is just not about like creating a sari. So when I create a sari, I first buy the fabric and I make the sari. So I don't buy the sari. So a lot of designers, what they do, they just pick up the sari and then they do the embellishment, they put borders and and then they sell it. So what I do, I buy fabric and I create the sari. That's how I go about it. Because it gives me immense fun, even from childhood, to make something scratch out of nothing. So in this show, you will see something like that. You'll see jackets, trench coats, which are Indian textile, but in European cuts. You'll see dresses, which are kind of silk dresses, like mini frocks, with very puffy sleeves and with crochet lace, which is again old world, very, very vintage world style. So that's what I'm trying to create a different style so that people get it. Like, we should not always follow what designs are going on in the market. You just do whatever you think it. You have to put your foot down. Okay, this is what I want and this is what people will wear. So I'm trying to do that. I don't know how much people will get it, but let me try at least.
Yeah, and that becomes the next trend setter. Yeah. So you're the trailblazer of the modern trend.
Yeah, see, I created some modern blouses, like urban blouses with Victorian saris. So have you seen those Victorian big gowns those days? They have those with can and with a ring inside. So what I've done, I have created a sari. Once you drape it, it will look like a Victorian gown. So it's like a one drape sari. So you will see that. So I want to bring in that idea how a Victorian sari can be brought into the market. So this is what I'm working on right now.
हवा के झोंके आज मौसमों से रूठ गए, गुलों की शोखियाँ जो भंवरे आके लूट गए, बदल रही है आज जिंदगी की चाल जरा, इसी बहाने क्यों ना मैं भी दिल का हाल जरा सवार लूं, है सवार लूं.
So Subarna Roy, you are a brand in yourself, The Subarna Roy, I know, that's like a huge name these days. And we hear about it and, with all the Bollywood experience that you have, it sounds really amazing.
As a costume designer, my brand came later. But me, as a costume designer, of course, people know me more. Because I've done many films, of course, with Amitabh Bachchan, with Sanjay Dutt, with so many people, with John, with Varun, with Jacqueline, with Vidya, so many, So the thing is, working in Bollywood is so different than working into the fashion line. Bollywood is more of stress. It's creativity, but it throws challenges on you. Okay. So even Mr. Bachchan, like when I did at least 20 ads with him, as a designer, and I did 2 films with him, Eklavya and Run. There's a movie called Run, Ram Gopal Verma. So I designed his and entire film. So I get a lot of inspiration with Mr. Bhatt from him, because he is into so much of medicines, like at least like 30 medicines in a day. But look at his energy. The moment he walks on, like he just comes towards you and he walks, he stands, the entire set is like silence, pin drop, and everybody is like looking up to him. You know, his energy, he gives you energy. He's like that. So one time I remember I was very tired during Eklavya shoot, and I was sitting like this. I was tired, so I was sitting like this, and he was walking down and he just he did one like that, and my hand I just fell down almost. I said, what happened? I said, what? And he's like, ऐसे सर पे हाथ डालते नहीं. I said, क्यों से ये अपशगुन होता है? कि बाप रे बाप, I'm not doing it next time. I have to be aware. If he gives like that kind of a blow on me, so it was like fun. And every time he would come, he'll call me a Bengali baby, like that, Bengali beti, something. अपना हाथ आके ऐसे डाल देंगे, इतना भारी सा हाथ लेके. And he knows Bengali so well, like fluent.
Yeah, Jayaji is Bengali, maybe that's why.
Because he lived in Calcutta. He lived in Calcutta for a couple of, I think, शुरुआत में अपने career की शुरुआत में, when he was working in Calcutta. So he knows Bengali a lot.
वो गा रही
चंदा रे धीरे से मुस्का, हौले से पलकों में छुप जा, चंदा रे धीरे से मुस्का.
Yeah, even the saddest part is with Rajesh Khanna. I did one ad just before he died. It was directed by Balki sir. Balki sir is the director of Pa. So we were doing a shoot. It was Khaitan fan, and he was so frail. He was not well, and I literally like pulled him up and made him wear his tuxedo. And just 3 days, 5 days, we came back from Bangalore, and he was no more. So my last work, like his last work, and my last work was with him, with Rajesh, with Kakaji.
Yeah, very emotional moment.
Yeah, and it was like so bad because I saw him like shaking and all that. It was quite bad. Yeah.
फैंस क्या होते हैं मुझसे पूछो, प्यार का वो तूफान, मोहब्बत की वो आंधी, वो जज्बा, वो जुनून. हवा बदल सकती है लेकिन फैंस हमेशा मेरे रहेंगे. बाबू मोशाय, मेरे फैंस मुझसे कोई नहीं छीन सकता.
So कभी ऐसा हुआ कि you designed something and you have some creativity in mind, but creativity is not judgmental. That's what I think, and people can have their personal or individual choice as well on the color, on the fabric, on the design. Even in routine, if you see, people go to the tailor and they keep telling, do this, don't do this. Those are not even designer clothes, those are like routine stitching, right? And people have like कुछ ना कुछ नुक्स, ये नहीं, यहाँ ये नहीं, इसमें ऐसा चाहिए, वैसा चाहिए. तो you are doing this for biggies. तो कभी हुआ कि किसी ने कुछ react किया हो and then you have to go back and go in circles and fix it?
वो तो होता ही रहता है. This job is full of that. Trust me about it. Only the very smooth ones, I would say. Smooth ones. Vidya is a dear friend, so with her I can be myself. So I am not counting her. She's my bestie. So apart from her, I think Sonakshi is very good. Like she really adjusts. And then Diana Painty is also very good. Jacqueline is very sweet. They're like, they can adjust. But perfectionist, Priyanka Chopra. She is. There's so much like that she gives her inputs on everything. And those inputs are not bad. I think they are really good inputs, whatever she gives. Another is Ranveer Singh is very good to work with. Arjun is also fabulous. John is my favorite. He's. So I think amongst the men, finicky, I would say, okay, one of my favorite is Saif Ali Khan. He is not finicky, but he has the royal baggage behind, he carries. So his inputs are more of the Nawab types. So, but I get along very well. I think I did 5 projects with Saif Ali Khan. So my last project was in 2019. I designed Tandav. That was a Amazon series with Dimple Kapadia and all. Dimple Kapadia also. She is also she demands things. She says, okay, I want this, I want that. But those demands are very good. You will have to give it to her. Look at her style. Look the way she is. Even Saif. I love Saif because Saif's inputs are very good. Priyanka's inputs are really, really helpful. Yeah, and this one up now. And John and Varun, they are very they're sweet. They're very sweet. You can manage them. You can manage them with your, oh, how cute you are. With simple hugs and all. So.
लहरें उठी है, शोर मचा है, जोश सा कोई हम में उठा है, हम हैं सैलाबी। डूबी डूबी सीप में जैसे होती चमकती मोती ज्योति है, किरदार ऐसे ही दिल में सजे हैं हमारे। अपने उसूल है अपनी समझ, दुनिया को अपनी निगाहों से परख, सच और झूठ का फर्क समझ, जुल्म को दे दे ज़मीन पे पटक। Oh you, oh you, oh you, oh you, oh you, oh you, oh you. Chakalaga bunga, kalaga bunga.
In every industry, there is a lot of competition. Usko nahi mujhe do. That thing is always there. How do you deal with all of that?
सबको पटा के रखना पड़ता है. So it's basically you have different vanity vans. So you go to one van at a time. You chapper with them. For some time you be nice to them. You give them some gift and then you go and say the same thing to the other one. And then you go and say the same thing to the other one. If it is a male or a female, so you kind of rattoing the same thing, but in different versions of the same thing. You pamper it. See, celebrities likes to be pampered. So our job is to pamper them. So that's how we handle it. Yeah.
That's very realistic, very truthful. You are such an honest person and you've given it out.
And they like honesty in work. Yeah. I'm very genuine. I'm honest. Sometimes I crack up with simple Bengali words and comments that they kind of laugh at me. Okay, but it's okay if you're laughing at me. I mean, at my cost, at my funny, whatever I say, I'm happy. Be happy with that. So they like simple people because they see so much of complicacy in the world ना. So आप जब कोई simple किसी के साथ आते हो ना, तो अच्छा ही लगता है वो. So I try to be very basic that way. Yeah. Simple.
7 ਲੱਖ ਦਾ ਲਹਿੰਗਾ ਤੇਰਾ 8 ਲੱਖ ਦੇ ਠੁਮਕੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਤੱਕ ਤੱਕ ਹੋਇਆ ਨੀ ਨੇ ਹਾਲ ਸੋਹਣੀਏ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਤੱਕ ਤੱਕ ਹੋਇਆ ਨੀ ਨੇ ਹਾਲ ਸੋਹਣੀਏ ਨੀ ਸਾਰੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ 'ਚ ਤੂੰ ਹੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਲੰਡਨ 'ਚ ਤੂੰ ਹੀ ਮਾਲਾ ਮਾਲ ਸੋਹਣੀਏ ਨੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਯੂਕੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੂੰ ਹੀ ਮਾਲਾ ਮਾਲ ਸੋਹਣੀਏ ਨੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਵਰਲਡ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੂੰ ਹੀ ਮਾਲਾ ਮਾਲ ਸੋਹਣੀਏ.
So coming up in the coming up event for Prabhashi, I know you've mentioned about different nature oriented clothing that you are bringing to the front. Yeah, the colors. But mostly when it comes to a fashion show, it is about the perfect size of the model. That comes as a number one criteria for any fashion designer. To stand out, they need a perfect lady. Now in Bay Area, there are all kinds of people with all kinds of sizes, and sari is such a beautiful thing that it can fit on people with a little weight as well. Sometimes in South India, I have seen models with a little weight are preferred for the sari modeling. So what kind of models are you looking at, and give out a little more about the upcoming show?
we have a mixed bag of models, so we have all sizes. I don't want to kind of say, okay, I want a skinny one, I want a 5 feet 8 inches, we have all kind of sizes and shapes, because you see, you don't sell a particular body, you sell a personality, you sell a person, an individual, how that person will be looking at her best when she walks into a party. So for me, mostly the outfit and the styling is very important, because I focus mostly both the things, and how you carry it. Be confident about, even if you can wear a simple cotton dhoti than sari and just steam it up with a very funky jewelry and a pair of nice bright Gucci loafer shoes with 100 rupees sari, and you can look stunning. So I'm just trying to compare Gucci shoes with 100 rupees sari. So basically it's the styling and how confident you are. Even if you wear a $10 top, you have to be confident in that. You have to stand out in the crowd in that. So when I'm choosing a model, I want the model to stand out, even if she is nobody, not good looking, but her personality, when she walks in, she has to be like, okay, I have a point to say. This is me. I am the one who says no. I am the one who makes a point in this room. So for me, that's very important. Confidence is what you carry, right? You don't carry your clothing everywhere. So you wear your confidence, you're definitely going to look the best.
I think that's a great tip for all the ladies out there, or for anyone that looks are not as great as your own confidence and self-respect.
Yeah. But it's your job to make yourself perfect, right?
And you definitely help to feel them look better and more confident and better.
I'll give them some mantras. If they come to me, I'll just push them. I love pushing people hard. I mean, change yourself. Do something about your hair. Do something about your this, that, I like that.
So how is your experience with Prabhashi so far, and would you want to say something about the organization?
Yeah, the organization, see, I'm very new to the organization. I don't know too many people apart from Bitan and Shudipto and Shauli and Shweta. Shweta is helping a lot in getting all the models, and Prabhashi is also helping get to all the models, and Priyanjali, my friend, she's going out of her way also to, she was the one who first asked me to do, okay, there's a community, Prabhashi, will you do it? I said, okay, fine, I'll do it. So then that's how it all started. Prabhashi is being very supportive, and I'm sure they will get a very good crowd, and they will this show will be successful. I think we will be able to achieve a little bit of like a good community show than what you see normally around. So we are trying to achieve a bit better. Let's see how it all works out. But Prabhashi is being very helpful, and like in terms of facility, okay, the light, the sound, they're working on. It's been amazing, because I didn't expect in a new place for me somebody coming forward and doing that much. So thank you for that.
Hi everyone, we are very excited to have Shwali Bishwas from Bay Area Prabashi who are celebrating their Golden Jubilee celebrations, and this Durga Puja they will be bringing the Subarna Ray collection. The Subarna Ray collection, which is an esteemed collection from the Bollywood connection that they have had from past 22 years, and great work that they have done with various Bollywood heroes and heroines. And I think this is a great move. So tell us a little more about the fashion show.
Yeah, we are actually the oldest one here in Bengali, in Bay Area Prabashi, and now this year we are celebrating 50th. So it has to be something special, something different. We have curated line of events and activities, and we have lot of different kind of versatile program this year. One of this is the fashion show. This fashion show, I know that in Bay Area we have done few fashion show before also, but Prabashi always the trendsetter. They are bringing the Bollywood fashion designer. This is the first time in Bay Area. So we will transform one place in the Shabo College for the fashion walk. The walk area, people will be sitting, and we have exclusive lights, cameras, and everything. We are just creating the creating the different kind of environment over there, and the lot of models are very much professionals, and as Shubhana said before that she is very simple but hardworking, and I saw her work. Those are phenomenal and unique, and she is going to launch her spring summer collections. So yes, we are very excited. Please come and join on October 21st at 6:30 at Shabo College before Shan program.
So last but not the least, what is your message to all the viewers of Yo India TV who are watching you worldwide?
My message will be that if you feel low, if you feel you don't look good, if you feel you want to wear something which you don't, you want to wear something which you don't have, don't feel bad about it. Okay, just give me a call or just message me, text me. I will know how to get your wardrobe sorted. Okay, and you have to don't wear your look, just wear your smile, your confidence, be interactive, communicative, and be confident to the world, and learn to say no. That's it. Yeah.
Beautiful message, and see you at the Durga Puja on October 21st at Shabo College. The fashion show is at 6:30 p.m. right before the Shan concert. Shan Say, the great concert by none other than Shan himself. So mark your calendars for October 20th, 21st and 22nd. These are the 3 golden days for celebrating the Golden Jubilee and 50th anniversary of Prabashi, and have a blessed Durga Puja 2023 with Subarna Ray Chaudhuri. So thank you so much, Subarna.
Thank you.